Hello and namaste. Welcome to my channel. I'm your cookmate, Chef Neupane. Today I'm here to solve your fried chicken problems. As many of my friends have been asking me the recipe of KFC style fried chicken, there are many recipes already available in the YouTube. However, having said that, without perfect guideline, recipes are dead. So I have decided to make this small video guiding you that how to make perfect, juicy, crispy and tasty fried chicken at home without using any commercial chemicals. Also, I will be talking about how to apply brine solution to the chicken, at what temperature you should fry your chicken, and few tips and techniques to make most tender fried chicken. Please watch full video so that you will not miss any tips and tricks to make perfect chicken for your loved one. First, I'm going to put the chicken into brine solution. Basically, brine solution is a high concentration of salt in water, 4 to 25% salt in water. Depending on the recipes, if you are making fruits and vegetables pickle, you can go high salt. Basically, I'm marinating the chicken into salt and water for a long time. Today, I'm using chicken drumsticks, so I will leave this to marinate for 6 hours inside the chiller. However, you can keep this up to 48 hours, but make sure inside the controlled temperature. Now, let's move on to next step. For the crispy coating, take a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, oregano half teaspoon, paprika or chili powder a spoon. Mix them well. Add black pepper half teaspoon. Milk and eggs play an important role to make crispy coating for the chicken. Egg help flour to bind well and cover the outer surface of the chicken very well. Here I have 6 hours marinated chicken. I'm going to dust them with the flour. Another important tips for you is that take the chicken always with the skin. Skin will help to hold the coating outside the chicken and also help to retain juice inside. After flour dusting, give a rest for 5 minutes. Now add the chicken pieces into egg and milk batter, dip them very well and put them directly into flour mix. Rest them 2 to 3 minutes before frying. As you can see, our chicken pieces are nicely coated with the flour mix. Now let's move forward to frying process. Starting oil temperature should not be too high. Here I am starting with around 120 degrees centigrade. As you can see, there are small water bubbles are coming up. That means it's more than 100 degrees centigrade. Also, you can drop small flour particles to check the oil temperature. Now let's drop all the chicken pieces one by one. After you put the chicken pieces, don't stir at all for 2 minutes and maintain the temperature between 120 to 150. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to increase the temperature at 180 degrees centigrade to make outer skin golden and brown and crispy. Now you can see chickens are ready. It's perfectly golden and brown in color. Now let's take out. Always take a grill bar to take out the chicken. Don't place them on the tissue which will make your chicken soggy. It is very important to give a rest for 2 to 3 minutes to get the juicy, tender and crispy chicken. Well guys, that was my today's video about how to make crispy and tender fried chicken at home. I hope this recipe will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please share, like, comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.